Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. I'm going to show you a hidden menu on the big screen on your Yaris Hybrid, and I'll show you how to access it. You must have your phone unplugged from the car. Make sure the USB lead is disconnected to do this. If you press the menu button, then go and press display at the bottom of the screen, and then press screen off, and the screen will go blank. Now at this point, go up to where it says channel CH, press it 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then press track 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all you need to do, and it comes up with the service menu, and there's loads of information in here. So the one I want to bring your attention to is function check and settings. So if you touch that and then go to vehicle signal, this will give you your 12-volt battery voltage, tells you whether the ignition's on, gives you vehicle speed and a few other bits of information. Calibration for the touch screen. A microphone checker. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. A microphone checker. Hello, hello, hello. So, yep, you can check the microphone's working properly. The hands-free settings, you can make sure all your hands-free is working by using the touch screen. Yep, just a little hidden menu buried in your center screen. Now to get out of this screen, which you will need to do, at some point, all you do is power the car off. Then when you power the car back up, the screen will disappear. But what I've just done there is check the DAB radio is working. There's lots and lots of parameters you can go and have a look at. There's all sorts in there. So to get back out of this, as I said, power the car off, power the car back up, and you cancel that screen. So let's quickly run through that again, and I'll show you how to get back into it once the screen boots up. As I said, make sure your phone's not connected on USB. Menu, display, screen off, CH 5 times, then track 5 times. Puts you back into the hidden menu. To come out of it, power the car down, power the car back up, and you're out of the menu. And the car boots back up in your normal screen. Just thought I'd share that little bit of information with you. Thanks for watching a North Wales side-by-side video, and I'll see you in the next one.